Folks, welcome back. So today we're going to take a look at one of my favorite products I've been using a lot of and ordering a fair number of these. They've really helped with organizing my workshop and my barn. Instead of having all this loose stuff running wild, these Iris 19 quart storage bins. Super helpful with these. It's been nice. Like right here, I have some of my kayaking stuff, weed eater stuff, all my different rolls of cord for weed eaters, microfiber towels here. And instead of having all this stuff spread out everywhere, I'm able to put it in these bins. And I like the fact that they're nice and clear so you can see what's inside of them. Even if you label them, it's always good to have kind of the clear I like, so you can visually see right there what's inside of the bin. And then also too, the lids are really cool as well. They just drop right over the top here, and then they just snap right into place. Super easy. And then also too, you can easily carry them around. And the nice thing with them also is they are stackable as well. So they have like these cuts right here on the top where you can just place another one right on top, and they don't slide around easy. So let me put another one up here, right into the cut. And yeah, so they stack really nice together. And pretty much they don't, sometimes with some of these bins and stuff that don't have anything like that, you stack them on top of one another and they go, just flying and sliding everywhere. These, pretty much they stay put. So they've got the little cut there, and then on the bottom of the bin they have a little tab that kind of fits in there. So you can easily lift them up. As you can see, I'm shaking it around. It's not falling off or anything like that. So that is super helpful as well. So at the end of the day, folks, definitely check these out. I think I'm on my third order now of buying these, just because they're so handy to have, and I can easily put my all these little bits and bobs in and keep everything organized. And the 19 quart, it's a decent size, easily portable, but still carries a fair amount of stuff. So, anyways, definitely check these out, folks, and y'all have a good one. These are the 19 quart ones as well.